Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This project is super simple and inexpensive. All you need is synthetic lashes and a spoolie. I'm actually going to do it twice so I have 2 pairs of lashes. First, you're going to want to remove your eyelashes from their packaging, but keep them on that little plastic tray that they come on, just for a little holding security. Then you're going to take your spoolie and kind of gently, but roughly, just go through the lash, go all over top of it. You really just kind of want to comb and tangle and tease through that lash. But again, be really gentle. It is a synthetic lash, and that thing will rip. After about a minute, you start to see the lashes taking shape. They're starting to fan out, spread out, and give that really kind of a wispy, beautiful mink look. And you want to make sure you do these with dry lashes for sure. And yeah, that's all there is to it. These little $2 lashes, this $1 spoolie, and now you have $20 lily lashes.